This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Hi Ho. Open house Saturday, January 11th to 12th, 10 am 1:29 am, Sunday 12 to 2 p.m. Attention First-Time Homebuyers. Check out this solid block home in West Pensacola, conveniently located near West Pensacola and Corry Station. Sitting on a quarter-acre lot, this move-in ready 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom split floor plan features a newer roof and no carpet throughout. Recent updates include freshly painted interiors, new tile in most of the home, vinyl plank flooring in the master bedroom, and an updated kitchen with custom solid maple cabinets, quartz countertops, and a copper sink. The hall bath boasts new tile on the tub surround. Outdoor upgrades include a framed screened porch, updated 10x10 deck, and a brand new shed in the spacious fenced backyard. All appliances convey with the property. With gas and electric utilities, this home is perfect as a starter, homestead, or rental investment. Schedule your showing today. For more information